Soil moist granules are polymer crystals that absorb water and keep soil moist. It's the same stuff used in diapers to hold the moisture. This is how much they grow when watered. In both containers, there's the same amount of granules. A teaspoon of dry ones here, and the same amount of granules in this container after they absorbed half a glass of water. To use them, first let them soak the water and then mix them with your planting soil. If you mix dry granules with soil, repot your plant and then water, the granules will grow and they'll push some soil out of the pot, just like this one. They don't last forever. After some time, they lose their crystal-like shape and transparent look, and if you use them on their own as a growing medium, they become yellowish color. They also seem to become sticky after a longer period of time, but they still serve their purpose. This plant has not been watered for at least 7 months as an experiment. It has the granules at the bottom of this non-draining container and soil on top. And although the plant does not look very healthy, it's still alive and its roots seem to like the crystals. Important: make sure your pets can't get into the dry granules. If they ingested the dry granules, they could choke on them, or the granules could cause blockage in their digestive system after growing there. Also, make sure you don't get them in your sink, or they could clog your plumbing.